Murphy and his lookalike wrestling. They're wrestling. Murphy's the one on the right. Not much stamina though. That's it. They're tuckered out. Nap time. Oh, Murphy's coming around. Round 2. Nope, just getting comfy. Here comes little sis. She's gonna get into the action. She's feisty. Nope, it's just nap time for everybody. Oh, if you could only smell, I can smell the puppy breath from here. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh. Oh. Here's the other face. Oh, they're so cute.